What does $1.5 million get you in Sarasota near Lakewood Ranch? Let's check it out. Today we are in Artistry at the Palmer model, and it is awesome. Just over $1.5 million, but that gets you 3,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a formal dining room, and a really super cool game room. Stay to the end of the video and I'll show you in a map how everything works out. Let's go see it. right, as promised, here is the map. And this is our website, oasisgroupfl.com. And it is, we don't we don't force you to give your email or name or anything else like that, or phone number even. If you want to get a hold of us, all you got to do is come to the lower right-hand corner and click this. And the first thing that will pop up will be a bot. And then after that, it's either me or my wife or my son, usually me. So anyway, so all we want to do is be a resource for you to make a smooth move to the Sarasota area. So here is all of our areas of expertise. And you can see it all right here. And let's get to them here's the overall map. Let's get to the actual map. Here you go. So this is Artistry. Artistry is right next to Lakewood Ranch. It's what we call Lakewood Ranch adjacent. So you get all the benefits of living in Lakewood Ranch, but without the Lakewood Ranch pricing, because there is a premium for Lakewood Ranch. It's such a great area. So when we talk about Artistry, we are right here. So that is Artistry right there. And so Lakewood Ranch as a whole is going to be right here. So here's the cool thing about living in Lakewood Ranch or living in Artistry. There is so many things to do, so many things to see. It's awesome. 250 days of sunshine, over 250 days. I mean, I grew up north and we never had sunshine like that. So it's awesome. Again, we have fantastic things here. We've got hospitals. Healthcare is a big deal here in the Sarasota area. So we've got major hospitals right here, and we have down south in Venice. A lot of your neighbors are going to be in the healthcare industry. They're going to be doctors and nurses and everything else. So we also have, of course, world famous beaches. Now, you can't beat it. So here is Siesta Key right here. Now, from Artistry, which is right off of the main line right here, you are about 40 minutes away from Siesta Key. Now, 45 minutes with traffic, but the best beaches in the world are all right here, and Siesta Key is the best of the best. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. Also, restaurants. We've got a ton of restaurants. You've got the UTC Mall right here. UTC Mall's got really high end. It's got Macy's, Saks Fifth Avenue, a really like Capitol Grill restaurant, all these top end restaurants in and around the UTC Mall area. That's about 15 minutes away. And plus you've got all the natural, great restaurants of the Sarasota area right there for Artistry, right there for, anything that you need. Now, if you want to go over the HOA fees are going to be about $415. Now, that's a month. Now, that sounds like a lot, but it's not, considering that they do everything for you. They do the lawn, they make sure the bushes are trimmed, everything looks great. So, and you want that, because a lot of people here, I'd say not a lot anymore. It used to be a lot of snowbirds, but now but there's like 20% maybe are snowbirds. And those 20%, when they're not living here, you want their lawns and their landscaping to look great. And when you have an HOA, like Artistry has a great HOA, when they do the lawns, it looks like someone's living there and it looks absolutely fabulous. So you want that consistency. You need that consistency. And also for resale, it's fantastic. But I can't speak highly enough of Artistry. Coulter is the builder there, and they are a phenomenal builder. Now, every builder's got their issues, but I'll tell you one thing, in all the houses that I've sold with them, we've never had a major issue. Any issues that popped up, Coulter was very quick to jump on it and fix it. And you can't ask for more than that, because mistakes are going to happen. It's how you react when the mistakes come up. And Coulter is fabulous. So no mistakes there. And they're a really good builder. All right. You are a half an hour to Sarasota downtown. You are an hour and a half away from Tampa. In theory, an hour, but there's always traffic and finding parking and everything else. And you are an hour and 45 minutes away from Orlando from Disney World, and about 2 hours away from Universal Studios. So you are in 3.5 hours away from Miami. So you're kind of right in the middle of everything. And that's what makes Artistry such a fantastic neighborhood. You're so close to the beaches. You're so close to everything that really counts. And you're close to nice restaurants. They do everything for you in the neighborhood. So I really cannot stress enough how great Artistry is. And they're, like I said, great builder. So again, UTC Mall is right here. Now, how do you get here? There's two ways to get here. If you fly, there's Tampa. Tampa's like an hour and a half away. And then there is the Sarasota airport. Now, if you had a choice between Tampa and Sarasota airport, if all things being equal, you definitely want Sarasota airport. Not because it's closer, it's a lot closer, meaning it's an hour and a half to get to the Tampa airport from Artistry. But here's the deal. When you park in long-term parking in Tampa, it takes you a half an hour from the time that you park to the time you get to your gate. I mean, that's how far away, that's how big the Tampa airport is. Now, the difference between Sarasota airport is when you leave your driveway at Artistry, you're going to be a little bit less than a half an hour away from walking into the Sarasota airport. So for the same time it takes you to walk from your parking lot to the actual gate, is the same time it takes completely to go from your driveway to the actual Sarasota airport. So I don't know. It's to me, it's a no-brainer. If all things being equal, Sarasota airport's the way to go. Again, we'd love to help you, whether it's 2 weeks or 2 years from now. Doesn't matter. We're here to help. You'll see the pictures of all the people that we help here, and it's really neat. We love our customers, and we're not going to hand you off to anyone else. It's going to be me, my wife, and my son. We have a very small company, and we work very hard for everyone's business and make sure everything goes smoothly. And there's always issues. So if you don't use if you don't use us, use somebody as a real estate agent for new construction. There are plenty of things. And plus, real estate agents know exactly what's going on and exactly the discounts, what to ask for, what not to ask for, what you're going to get. And you want someone advocating on your behalf. You 1000% want someone advocating on your behalf. We would love to be that person. But again, if it's not us, please use another realtor that you know, like, and trust, because it's so important. And it could mean tens of thousands of dollars in discounts. So you definitely want to use a realtor. So there you go. Again, Orlando, 2 hours away. Tampa, hour and a half away. Sarasota downtown, less than a half an hour away. You can't beat it. Over 250 days of sunshine and a great builder. So whether it's 2 days or 2 years from now, we'd love to help. Reach out, just click that link right there, and we'd love to help. Before you go, let me tell you one thing here. Let me show you. I'll show you all the different museums and all the different places to go. Look at all these things. And here's the piece de la resistance, as they say. Golf courses. So here's all the golfing, and when it comes to near Artistry, those are all the different places. Now, that's not all of them. That's just what I've come up with. So if you love golf, this is the place for you. Sarasota area is great. Whether we can help you with Artistry or anywhere else, please let us know, and check out our other videos. We'd love to help. Anyway, have a great day and see you on the next video.